won the hearts of the people of Rajamkra constituency ever since. She was then the only woman legislator in the Meghalaya Assembly, standing tall and resilient. In 2009, she served as the Minister of Education in the Cabinet of Ministers of Meghalaya.
Approaching the saluting dais and taking the salute now is the contingent from Christ Disciple Secondary School, led by
This is an announcement for all the
With the third contingent of the Presbyterian Secondary School, led by
the 11th contingent is the Edwin Memorial Second.
led by Mr. Nivalis Limbe, and flag bearer is Mr. Shantabas Limbe.
That's why well-known Shri as the bandmaster. They have presented almost all of the
Led by Ms. Ayawan Limbe, and flag bearer is Ms. Ingrid
Congratulations, Howard PhD. Let's all be. Di bersama anggota DAP Sub-Centers, balik orang.
Hakacik penyayo kebas langshen u awang chips tau chips u basna no sohan bala peni haronggara prime hub jong unokma ice cream na trikikila prime hub kidai kita kinuksa ki bapeni bakitian bakijimbang masna hakajela jogi kin yayo shakiwei pan kijaka Dakaba jingjob jong ke prime ke sorkar ke lepeni sakawai pat ke program ke mengilakot ke CM Elevate House nem arajar artulai ke program ke ai jing kershan pisai haki kat kendai keli jibentak kentuk ya ke kam jing jengok pertai ke rep keriang ki kam ri jing ri ke kam ri nyang rindia ke kam yelekai ke kot ke kia ban ki jingpen bernia hadu mentang nila kersan pelat arajar prasbangun kinong yo jing bentoy bat ke leplet pisah hadu nriu kufra klur ke kampan jan hak Meghalaya ke yailong kelat kemai ke bakongsan ke bapelat ha ke bapelat sau hajar pras sau kupra hajar teli hilong yeng hidong benta haki kamri niang rindia bat palat sau ko ar hajar hilong yeng hak kam panjan